Hello everyone. I'm going to be discussing the level one, how the level one works in Xoxo network. For those of you who don't quite understand it, let me just log out of all these distractions. Sorry, please excuse my voice. I think I'm having a bit of a sore throat, so my voice is sounding a bit strained. Okay, so let's get into it. So Xoxo have seven pools. Yes, on the first one we're just going to discuss the first one, which is level one. Level one, you need 0.1 ETH to start. If you don't know anything about Xoxo, please go back and see the other videos that I already have on so that you can learn how Xoxo work. So you need for the first Autopool, you need 0.1 to start. This is a peer-to-peer contract, so there's no money in the contract itself. Once you pay, this payment gets sent out to 4 levels. So on level 1, you'll be able to earn on 4 levels. So if you invite someone, then first I should say that you need to invite one person to activate your earnings. Then when you invite someone, then you'll be paid out of the 0.1, you'll be paid 0.05 ETH, and then when that person invites other people, then you'll be paid according. You'll get a percentage of each person that is invited. That person has invited. So if that person, so you'll get 25% on your level 2, and if that person invites another person, you'll get 15%, and if that person invites another person, you'll get 10%. Well, so that's how level 1 works. You earn on 4 levels, and you need 0.1 to start, and you need to invite one person to activate all these 4 earnings for 4 levels. So that's it for level 1. I hope that's clear. If it is not clear, then please contact me on Telegram and ask any questions that you may have, or you can ask questions below the video and I'll answer as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.